Good morning.
Good morning.
I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
The sun is shining brightly.
The sun is shining brightly.
I brushed my teeth.
I brushed my teeth.
I washed my face.
I washed my face.
I took a shower.
I took a shower.
I made my bed.
I made my bed.
The weather is pleasant this morning.
The weather is pleasant this morning.
I am feeling fresh.
I am feeling fresh.
I drank a glass of water.
I drank a glass of water.
I had my breakfast.
I had my breakfast.
My family is awake now.
My family is awake now.
I am getting ready for school.
I am getting ready for school.
I am getting ready for work.
I am getting ready for work.
I opened the window.
I opened the window.
I checked my phone.
I checked my phone.
I read the news in the morning.
I read the news in the morning.